The roots. Look at the roots. Ne? And look at the leaf. Okay. And then look at these ones. I had already planted them in the soil. So look, let me go a bit further. Look, 2. And guess what this is? Just guess. Avocado. From the avocado that I bought from the store, this is what I'm getting. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. I just want you to see. Look at this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is very exciting. Look guys, can you see? This is coming directly out of the seed, ne? The avocado seed. Look. Hey, nice. And even here, look. This one is still a baby. Okay, all of them are babies, but really look. Just look. Yeah, I'm showing you because this is how you should plant it into the look. You see, these are plastic containers that I got from the crazy plastic shop. Okay, these are very, very small containers. So these are now ready for me to plant them into bigger containers. I think I'm getting obsessed. I'm really getting obsessed with this. Planting fruits, vegetables from my scraps.